So I know you can see how bright that is, and it's throwing a real nice pattern. You can see the star pattern. You can see there's my dull old light, and this is Partsam watermelon purple light. That thing is bright. It is throwing some color, but I really wanted to show you comparison between the two at night, because tomorrow I will install the other one, and then we'll kind of go over how I install it, what I do and whatnot. Obviously here got tools, rivet gun, my DeWalt drill with a step bit, which is great for riv nuts, test light, blah blah blah. But man, I'm impressed. It is so bright here, you can literally use them to back up. Especially when I install that second one, that is going to be crazy. Or if I get more lights, that is pretty impressive. Keep it posted. Yeah, we got the mess of this dirty floor and tools everywhere, but I want to show you what this looks like. Pretty sure this plate is Grand General. Partsam does not sell this plate, at least that I know of. I bought this online and kind of mounted up. The only thing is, since this thing in the back is pretty wide, you gotta widen the hole for the plate to sit in, but that's about it. It comes with this gasket, and then for the riv nuts, I did have to widen it because I'm using 1/4-inch riv nuts, but as you can see. And then as for wiring, I just use my truck harness wiring. White is your ground, and then red and black, I just combine them into one, because you do have high and low power. I tried to do high only, which I think is the black one, but it wouldn't work. So I just combined them, and that seems to work fine. And yeah, there is also a little gasket behind this, so it does seal up. Nothing will go in. And yeah, we're about to go install this thing and see how it looks like with two of them. And we do have some dark out here, so we'll see how it lights up. So what you're hearing is my diesel heater. And like I said, it's always nice to have tools like this riv nut gun. It's that easy. This thing is a beast. And boom, just like that. Let's go hop on down and show you what it looks like. So it's not that dark out here, but man, that sure does look sharp. There's a lot of striping going on in the back. Let's try to switch to low light mode. So this is low light mode. I gotta do horizontal. It's not gonna do vertical, but that sure does look sharp. Still got to replace some of these other lights, but figured I'd show you while we're out here. Hopefully they don't kick me out. There we go, guys. That is bright. I am impressed. As long as they last sealed and weather tight, these are amazing lights, especially for the money. Like I said, for like $65, $70 for two of these shipped, that is an amazing deal. Obviously, switch this around. So obviously I haven't paid anything for these lights. They sent these lights out to me, but it's really like no commitment. It's basically like, hey, we got this new lights. I've had them send me stuff out before, some other lights and connectors, and I like their stuff. It's very fairly priced, and they're very, very bright. I used to have their under the cab lights until I got a really good deal at a chrome shop on these other ones, and I switched them out. But I mean, for the money, you just cannot beat Partsam, and their quality is really improving, and they're listening to customers, and they're fixing things that need to be fixed. So I don't know. I mean, I think for the money, you just can't beat this, because this light that I got at a chrome shop a while ago, I got one of them with a bulb was like $70, and it's nowhere nearly as bright. Especially if you're going to mount these on inside, then weatherproofing is no issue. I think it's just a no-brainer. I just, you know, the weatherproofing on them seems pretty good. It's got a really good gasket around the glass lens, and then the other section is very sealed up as well, so I think they should last good. But I mean, only time will tell, and I'll be able to update you guys. I will have a discount code for you guys to use. It helps me out a little bit, and it's gonna save you some money as well. But hopefully you do like the video. Again, I'm gonna show more and keep you guys posted more, but for now, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna keep on rolling, and we're gonna install the red ones on the interior. But let's show you just for comparison. These are so this is the one I got at the chrome shop. I know it looks pretty bright because it's dark in here, but I'm telling you, it is nowhere nearly as bright as these purple ones are. And I'm gonna install 2 more red ones on the back. Good stuff, exciting stuff. I love lights, I love chrome. Chrome doesn't get you home, but sure does look nice. Keep you guys posted later. Stay safe, stay warm, keep on trucking.